Today I will show you how to create a low poly 3D coffee machine model in Blender. First press Shift A, add a cube, press SZ, SX, adjust its position and then press Ctrl A, apply scale. Ctrl R, add loop cuts, select faces, E extrude, Ctrl R, add loop cut, select face, E extrude, select face, GY, select these edges, Ctrl B bevel, add 3 segment. Select these edges, Ctrl B bevel. Now same again, select these all edges. And Ctrl B bevel with 1 segment. Now press Ctrl to add subdivision modifier and right click Shade Smooth. Here we will create a circle. For that we press Ctrl R, but as you can see our loop cut is not working. Select these 2 vertices and join, then add Ctrl R, add 5 loop cuts, and from here we will also add 5 loop cuts. Now select these faces and right click Loop Tools Circle. If you don't have the loop tools, go to File, Preferences, Get Extensions, search Loop Tools and install it. Now go to the Add-on tabs, search for Loop Tools, enable it and save Preferences. Now your Loop Tools option will appear. Then select the faces, right click Loop Tools Circle, press S to scale, then move a little with GY. After that press I, then again I, then E, again E, again E and I. The circle shape is ready now. Here you can see there is a little problem appearing. Now what we will do, select these 2 vertices and join. Here we will add 1 loop cut and select these 2 vertices and press J to join them. So now your shape is perfectly fine. Select these vertices, press Shift S cursor to select it. So our cursor comes here, and here we will add a circle. Scale down. Press numpad 7 for top view or Z, then make the circle size equal. Now in edit mode, press 1 for vertex mode, press E to extrude. Press Ctrl 2 to add subdivision. Here we have to make its hole for the button. Press Shift A and take a cylinder, scale down, rotate with RX 90, and now you have to set it for the hole. The first method is that from here you add a Boolean modifier, take a eyedropper and click on the cylinder, then apply the modifier. But you can see that its shapes has become messed up. We will undo with Ctrl Z. Now grab both of them, press Ctrl numpad minus. Now you don't need to apply it. And your shape is also perfectly fine. Now I will tell you how this works. This is the Blender default add-on called Boolean tool. Go to Edit, Preferences, Get Extensions, and search Boolean tool. Here Boolean tool will appear. From here you have to install it. In my case the install option does not show because it's already installed. Then go to add-on, search bool tool and enable it. Save preferences. Now your bool tool will work, and with control plus minus you can make this whole. Now grab this, press Shift S cursor to select it. Inside it, add a circle. Scale down, press 1 for front view, rotate with RX90. Now match the circle exactly with this shape. Then go to edit mode, press E to extrude. Select this and move with GY. Select these edges, press F to fill. Press Ctrl 2 to add subdivision. Now press Ctrl B to bevel. Shade smooth. Press 3, select this face. Press I to insert and move with GY. Now our button is fully ready. And now wherever you move this boolean, it will move nicely. That's the benefit of bool tool. Now again F fill. Ctrl B bevel, add 3 segments. Select this edge, Shift plus D to duplicate and press P to separate. Now select it and extrude. Select this edge, press F to fill and bevel. Now you can see its size is a bit small. So with S plus Shift plus Z, scale it on the X and Y. Now we will make hair the part from where the coffee comes out. First, select this face and press I to insert. Then again I. Select the face and extrude a little. Then add a loop cut, press Ctrl B bevel with 0 segment. Same here, we will also add a loop cut and bevel it. Ctrl R, add loop cut here. Again Ctrl R with 3 segments. Again add loop cut here and bevel. Select vertex and press J to join. Add loop cuts. Then again J join. Select these 4 faces, press I to insert, press SZ, SX. Now extrude. Select this edge and this edge, press Ctrl B to bevel. Now you can see they are going inside each other. You have to press C, and now see they are not going inside each other. Now give it 3 segments. Here now you have 2 extra edges. To remove, then press A, select all, then M, merge by distance. See, 5 vertices got removed. Now press 2, select this, and this. Press Ctrl B bevel with 1 segment. Select this vertex, press J join, and this one also J join. Now add Ctrl R loop cut here and add 1 here. And J join. Add loop cut again, J join. Press 3, select faces. Press I, right-click loop tool circle. Press Arc Z and scale down. Press I, E, again E, again E, I, and E. Select and bevel. Select this vertex, press J to join. Add loop cuts and J join. Select this edge and press SX0 to make it completely straight. Add loop cut and J join. Select edge, press GG, J join. Select edge, press SX0 to straighten it as well. Select face, press Ctrl Shift click, then press I to insert. Again I, press E, again E, again E, and I. Select H, press Shift D and P to separate. Now select it and go to edit mode. Select H, press Ctrl F and grid fill. Press E to extrude. Press I. Again I. Press E. Again E. Again E and I. Select these edges as Ctrl B to bevel. Select these edges and press Ctrl S to dissolve edges. Now add loop cuts, 7 segments, and press Ctrl B bevel with 0 segments. Shift click and Ctrl click. You have to select all these faces. Now press I, E to extrude. Press 3 for side view, Alt Z. Select this and press GZ. Add loop cuts. Select and GZ. Now we will make the cup. Select all the, press H to hide. Unhide the reference image. Press Shift A, add a circle. In edit mode, select all, extrude. Select the bottom edge and extrude again. Now we will add loop cuts and match it with the handle. Now press 3 for side mode. Select these faces, press E to extrude and scale down a little. Now extrude along the handle properly. Now select this face and press X and delete faces. And press X and delete faces. Select this edge to this edge, right-click Loop Tool Bridge. Now our shape is ready. Press to add subdivision. Now adjust the shape a little. Select this edge, press F to fill, Ctrl B bevel. Select this edge, press E and S to scale. Press E extrude. F fill and bevel. Select this edge and bevel. Press Alt H. Select the cup, scale down and set it to the right position. Select this vertex and J join. Add loop cuts and J join, J join, J join. Select this face. Press I, then SX, then SY, then again I. Now select these faces, press X and delete faces. Select face, press Ctrl Shift click. Now press E extrude, then I. Add loop cuts here. So our 3D model is completely ready. Now we go to the material part. Go to render mode, switch from EV to cycles and uncheck scene world. Now we add material, open the shader editor, select this, add new material and name it machine. Now set the material. Okay, perfect. Select this part and assign the same machine material. Now select these faces, press Ctrl and unselect. Now press Ctrl plus and Ctrl minus. Click on plus, assign, add new material, name it dark brown. Now set the material. Okay, perfect. Select this, click on New, name it glass. Set roughness and transmission 1. Select glass, press Ctrl I and press H to hide. Now check normals. Normal is fine. Now add solidify modifier. Press Alt H to unhide everything. Press 3, select these faces. Click on plus, assign dark brown. Add loop cut, I think here it looks fine. Same Ctrl R. Select faces, assign dark brown, add one more loop cut. Now for the button, assign the machine material. Sorry, actually assign dark brown. In edit mode, select face, click plus, assign, add machine color. Now select the cup, click new, name it cup. Give it a color. In edit mode, press Ctrl R, then P separate. Select this, go to edit mode, press F fill. Cross, add new material, name it coffee. Click BSDF, press Ctrl T. Add image textures, open UV tab. Select image. Press 7 to top view, then U unwrap. Press A, select all, and now place the UV on the coffee texture. Set roughness 0. So our coffee is ready. Select this. Add new, name it tray. Give it color. Select face, press Ctrl Shift and click. Ctrl plus. Unselect this. Unselect this. Everything is correct. Click plus, assign, and select tray. So here is our coffee machine model. You can also make it and share with me on Instagram. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. One last thing, select face, press Shift S cursor to select it. Add text, rotate with RX90, scale down, press tab and type coffee machine. Press S to scale down, press GX to move. Go to Properties, Geometry, then Extrude and Depth. And if you want to change the font, you can change it from here. Assign the material dark brown. So here is our final look. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. See you in the next video.